Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Microsoft PowerToys. So as you can see here, we are on the latest Canary build of Windows 11. And you might be, but before we start off, I want to explain what PowerToys is. PowerToys is basically something that adds, better functionality, because right now Windows search is terrible. Imagine we open up, File Explorer, and we create a new document in our documents folder. So let's say we create, a document, and let's call it, I've played these games before, or something like that. I don't know. Okay, so now that we've got that in there, we'll just open it here, and we'll type in, we'll play, not play, we're gonna type in no, just no. Anyways, let's just save that, close out of that, and I'm pretty sure that when you try searching it up, it's not gonna come here. Yeah, I've played these games before. Anyways, we're gonna click OK, and there's actually two different ways to install Microsoft PowerToys. Now the first way is through your web browser, as you can see here. You want to go to this website, this Learn website on Microsoft's website. I'll leave this link in the description. It's a whole guide on installing PowerToys, because there is two ways that you can install PowerToys. It's actually the requirements. You can install it on all versions of Windows 11, or you can install it on Windows 10 version 2004 or newer. Anyways, the file that you can download is from GitHub. This is the GitHub page. The latest release as of me recording is version 0.87.1, and it was actually released on December 19th, 2024, so about a month ago. Actually, yeah, a month and a day ago, as you can see. So yeah, pretty cool. The second day that you can, the second way that you can get this installed is through the Microsoft Store, as you can see here. Microsoft PowerToys, you can just search it up. I just searched up Windows PowerToys because, yeah, you can get Microsoft PowerToys. Yeah, this is like the new version as well, of course. Now I downloaded the exe file and I saved it to my downloads folder. So let's just get this installed. So we can run it here. It should come up with UAC. I don't know if it went. Oh, maybe it won't. Okay. So it's the license terms. We're gonna accept the license terms and just click install here. And as you can see, now it is actually going to process it. This is the preview, so I guess that's pretty cool. So as you can see, it's just downloading here, and I don't know how long this will take. So yeah, I'll be back once this is done, I guess. I can't pause OBS for some reason. Okay, so as you can see, it says installation successfully completed, and it should open up now. As you can see, it did open up there. So that's pretty cool. Let's just pin it to the desktop, because I think it will look really cool once we pin it to the desktop. So, what the hell did they do to the icon? Anyways, what was I gonna? Oh yeah, PowerToys. Let's just link this. As you can see, we've got the PowerToys icon. So now it just says welcome Microsoft PowerToys, and there's a ton of new features here. There's so many. Okay, so where's the menu that shows you all of it? I'm pretty sure there's like one menu. What's new? Oh wait, this is just the what's new thing. Let's start with advanced paste. So advanced paste is a tool to put your clipboard content into any format. So you can actually paste it like that. You can see the preview. I'm not gonna demo all of these, but anyways, always on top is another one. Always on top is really cool. So window control T. So let's say that you have calculator open, and let's say you have calculator open and you have Firefox open, and you need to you have calculator open here, and you kind of want to just do stuff, but when you click on your Firefox window, it disappears. So there's a solution for you. You just press window key, control T, and as you can see, there's this blue thing highlighted around the calculator window. And now, if you go into Firefox and open a new tab, you can see it works just fine. I can go to my website here. I don't know why you would have a calculator open on my website, but I can go to my website here, and it's not updated, of course, because I never update my website. I'll be right back after updating my website. Alright, anyways, let's just reload the page. There we go. Anyways, let's say that you're on my website here and you want to just, I don't know, calculate something. Oh, you lost 4 subscribers. What if you're dumb and you don't know what 493 plus 4 is? So you could just add that, which of course would be 497 right there. I think it's 497. But yeah, anyways, that's the cool always on top program. And of course, if you want to get rid of it, I'm pretty sure all you do is press Window key, Control. No, that's not. Oh, that is how you do it. You press Window key, Control T again, and it will just do that. So I'm pretty sure this automatically occurs with you know, as you can see, yeah, there's a pop-up always on top. We've detected an application. So as you can see, Task Manager here. Since it's a application that needs administration privileges, we'll just okay, for some reason it's not working. This is really dumb. But anyway, we have Awake. So Awake is just it's designed to keep your PC awake. So that's pretty cool. We've got a color picker. Now, Window key Shift C is how you can, access the color picker. So let's say you're on a website here, like my website, I guess, and let's say you want to find the color of, this. So what you want to do is Window key Shift C, and as you can see, there's a color picker now. So that's pretty cool. So you can, click on it. I accidentally unpaused the video, and as you can see, you get this window here, really, really cool. You can see the color, you can see the hex code, the RGB code, and the HSL code. You can copy them very easily, so that's pretty cool. Now, another thing is you can open up the settings for this, for the color picker. Oh yeah, this is where the dashboard is. But anyways, this color picker, you can change the shortcuts for like all of these. You can go to Awake, you can change the shortcut for these. You go to color picker, you can turn the feature on or off. You can activate the shortcut, and you can change the behavior here. It says pick a color and open editor. We'll just pick a color and open the editor. So that's cool. So which item will automatically be copied to your clipboard? You could change this to the RGB if you want. Maybe you're coding and you want the RGB value. You can make it to show the color name, as you can see. And now if you press Window key Shift C, and we look for this, and we can go here, it will show you the color, blue, light blue, whatever type of blue here. We can see all the colors here. So that's very cool. So we can also use the color here. You can have the colors, as you can see right there. You can choose these two. You can view history of color. So that's pretty cool. You can also have multiple color formats. You can enable more color formats, as you can see here. You can update this. So you can add more color formats. You can even add new formats. You can add my format, as you can see. We could call it that. It would be pretty cool. So yeah, there's so many features you can customize. So let's move on to PowerToys Run. Now, PowerToys Run is really, really cool. It's like, so you know how in macOS there's like the spotlight feature where you can just search for things? Well, guess what? The PowerToys has that as well. So you just press Alt Space and you can automatically search for things and like do calculations. Let's say you want to do 36 times 74. You can do that instantly. You can see, you can have the number and you can copy it to the clipboard. Very easy. You could search up, I don't know, you could search up 7Z if you want. You could search for me, as you can see. You could search it in default web browser, Firefox. Now, you could also search up for, I've played these games before. So, I've played these games before. Yeah, there we go. We've got the text document. As you can see, Windows search can find the text document. We can open this text document and we get our no that we put in the beginning of the video. So yeah, this is pretty cool feature of Windows Run, and it's really cool. You can also, change a bunch of features in here. So that's really cool. The next thing is screen ruler. So I'm pretty sure this is to measure pixels on your screen. So window key, control shift M. You can obviously change this. So window key, control shift M will pull up the screen ruler. You can put a box here and you can measure this. It's 490 by 379 pixels. That's really cool. So you can of course change some more settings here. You can change the color. Let's say you want to make the color this bluish and run it. So yeah, there's so much customization here. We can go here and we can so see our color changes have taken effect here. So that's really cool. We can go to the shortcut guide, which shows an help overlay with Windows shortcut. So let's say that you forgot some Windows shortcut. Just press Window key Shift / and it will come up with a bunch of shortcuts here. Now these are really crazy shortcuts. You can see the window buttons, you can see the maximize window controls, you can see so many shortcuts here, and you just click to get out of it, of course. So there's also the text extractor. This is really cool. So it's recommended to use snipping tool. Let's turn this on because this is going to be really cool. But of course, it uses window key shift key. So let's change this to window key control alt T. Let's make it control alt T. Possible shortcut interference with alt GR. So we're gonna reset. We're just gonna turn this off because we don't. Okay, but that is a really cool feature. We can do windowing and layouts. Of course, we saw always on, prop and lock, and fancy zones. Enable fancy zones. Now, what you can do is window key shift and comma. Wait, no, not comma. I'm pretty sure it's not comma. Let's change this to window key shift comma because there really is nothing. So window key shift period. We can click save. Now if we press window key shift period, we can go into fancy zones and you can snap it. As you can see, we can create custom zones, create new layout. We can create custom zones. We could call it let's call it Bob, because why not? We could have a canvas or grid layout. So let's create a canvas layout. Now we can change this. Now what we can do here is we can, of course, with our fancy zones here, we can edit the fancy zones and you can edit them right here. Of course, you could combine fancy. You can make them bigger or smaller. You could combine two like this. I think you can combine two like that, and then you can make them bigger. I don't know. Yeah, so as you can see right there, just like that, you can create our own custom fancy zone. So now that we have enabled that, we can just do that, and pretty cool. So yeah, that's not just all. There's more. There's input output. There's a keyboard manager. You can remap a key on your keyboard. That's really cool. There's also mouse utilities. You can enable Find My Mouse. So you can press Control twice, and as you can see, there will be a shadow around your mouse. So that's really cool. Now, you can also, of course, change the colors of this, I think. Where is it? I know you can, oh yeah, appearance and behavior. We can change the color of this. You can make it like, let's say you wanted to make it yellowish. Now we can, wait, I didn't click, what? Yeah, there we go. Let's say that we wanted to make this a bit yellow. We can do that, of course. We can make the background yellow. The spotlight color, we can change that to blue. And as you can see, we could have this custom spotlight color. Spotlight radius, we can make this 54. So that's pretty cool. So yeah. Another thing that you can do is mouse without borders. So that's a pretty cool feature. So what mouse without borders is you can move your cursor around multiple devices. I don't have multiple devices to show you. So yeah, quick accent is an alternate way to type accented characters, but there is much more. There's file management, there's a file explorer add-ons, as you can see. There is so many. panel. For some reason, PowerToys is crashed. Okay, that was really weird. We don't talk about that. We do not talk about that. Anyways, we can have all these different features. There's so many. There's even the image resize. Let's say that we took a screenshot here. Let's say that we just took a screenshot of this, and let's say that we saved it to our. Let's say we saved it to our documents folder, and we call it. Yeah, we'll just call it screenshot. Now, let's say that we want to make it extremely blurry because we hate everything. So let's just open up the screenshot here, as you can see right here, and we can go to resize image. So that's pretty cool. You can of course make it lower quality, of course. You can make it 43 by 43. You can make it a JPEG. You can make the quality 10, and we could save it, and we could save it to documents, and we can call this ruined or something. Ruined. I didn't spell that right. As you can see, now that we've created the JPEG, we can see that it is extremely blurry. What on earth? What on earth? Okay, so we just made it really blurry. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now we can also, add these presets. We have a small preset, medium preset, large preset, phone preset. We can make a thumbnail preset. It's really cool. We have new plus, enable new plus. So now new plus, you could create where these are. You could create templates. So let's say that you wanted to create a new template. Where do we anyways, we got peak. So peak, we can press control space. Let's say we create a brand new folder on the desktop. So let's create a brand new folder. Let's call it bad folder or whatever. Let's call it bad. Let's just call it epic, because I'm gonna put a masterpiece image in there. So let's open up Microsoft Paint, the best drawing program. We're gonna make the background green. I'm just messing it. Okay, that is not green. Okay, we're gonna grab this and we're gonna make a wonderful piece of art. There we go. There we go. What on earth? That's really dumb. Okay, let's try that again. Let's do that. And let's add some clouds, I guess. This is probably the same as last time. We're not gonna change the wallpaper this time, because last time we changed the wallpaper in the virtual machine. Let's save it to the epic folder. We'll just call it untitled, I guess. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. As you can see, we've got the image in the folder now. So control space should open this. As you can see, it opens this thing, epic, and we can see the file size, date modified, and we can see what it is. So that is really cool. We also got power rename, which won't work. I already tried this. And there's a bunch more stuff in here. So yeah, that's basically an overview of Windows PowerToys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll of course see you in the next video, whenever that is. So yeah, bye, and I'll see you later. So yeah.